Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how we join AI Skill Yatra and get Microsoft branded t-shirt as a free. So to join the AI Skill Yatra, we need to complete three steps. So first is a AI Paathshala where you can build your foundation. Then move to AI Prayogshala where you need to experiment, practice and apply what you learn. Then step is a AI Pariksha, where you put your skills and earn badges as a showcase. The best part is this yatra is very flexible. So here these three steps we need to complete, like AI Patshala, AI Prayogshala, AI Pratiksha, Pariksha. Okay, so uh, you just click over there and just simply start learning. Next thing is AI Paathshala. So how we can complete this? Just start learning AI and unlock your digital bank. So first step is like a AI Paathshala, and here we need to complete this one: AI powered work, building with AI and security in the AI era. So just explore these courses, see steps to share the badge, AI security, complete the course and get the digital badge and certificate from the Microsoft. You just try to complete this, and then your first step is completed. Next step is like attend the live learning episode with your partners. So here we have a multiple languages. You can attend the live session like Bengali, Marathi, English. We have a multiple languages. As per your convenience, you can just attend this live session. So this is a step 2. Now AI Prayogshala. This is a step 2. Then you need pay, build confidence with real AI tools, and then AI Vikasit Bharat, participate in prompt context and show idea to AI Vikasit Bharat. So using this Copilot chat, create your AI generated uh, portrait that computes your vision for future powered by AI. So how to participate? You can just launch uh, Copilot chat, add your prompt, refine your image, and save your final creation and submit your entry. Once your entry is done, then uh, you can chance to win the Microsoft branded T-shirt. So next thing is like a AI pariksha. So this is a basically assessment zone. We need to prove your skill and earn recognition. So basically there are three steps. Okay, so Microsoft applied skill or AI certification. So here we need to submit either what you learn apply skill assessment or Microsoft certification. So either or one of those you can submit, and when final assessment is there, then you can, when you click over here, then AI Skill Yatra Pariksha Zone. So you just fill your details, institute name, first name, last name, and what you completed, applied skill or either certification. You can choose any one of this. Submit your details, MS URL, and share your username, and finally submit. Once you submit it, you are eligible uh, for this AI Skill Yatra and chances for win the Microsoft T-shirt. So just apply quickly and complete this before 20 February. So this is a start date 20 January to 20 February. So please complete this session as early as possible before 20 February, and let's win for Microsoft branded T-shirt. I'll just share this AI Skill Yatra link in description. Please go through it and just try to complete and get chance to win for this Microsoft uh, T-shirt. Okay, thank you guys.